Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today is going to be just a quick short video. I wanted to make a video especially for my friend T. I sent her a scoops box, and there may be some things in there that she would have gotten that I got, and I want to show her how to, or anybody in this matter of fact, if you got scoops and you don't know how to use some of the products, I'm going to show you guys how to glue on full cover tips with the bubblegum gel. A lot of you may have gotten these little pink jars. Some of them are in the bigger jars. If you were lucky, you got the big jars. I got tons of the little ones, which is perfectly fine. So I am using the light pink today. I normally only use the clear. I like the clear because I like my nails to be see-through, but I thought the light pink would be the closest to my nail bed. I am probably going to paint a glitter base down. I am going to be using foils today. So I'm probably going to put like a very light glitter base down. This is how they look after they've been put on. I'm pretty sure there's probably a neater way to get the smile line looking a little bit nicer, but I'm not concerned with the smile lines because I'm not doing French tips. So I'm going with this length today. They are a smidge longer, and some of them are not etched in the inside. I used my nail drill and I just roughed up the inside of the nail where it would go to your natural nail. Just so it sticks a lot better and it has better adhesion and they stay on a lot longer without popping off. This is the light pink gel. It's very, very thick. So I'm going to show you at least what I've learned and what I do, and then you figure out whatever works best for you. But I just start off by scooping a little bit into the nail. Make sure your hands don't have any oils or anything on it, your fingers. Then you're going to press it. Make sure you get it from side wall to side wall. Make sure it goes to the back. And then I just go like this. I don't put it down. I just make sure it goes out far enough. And I do every nail. You can do one nail at a time. I do all the nails so I can glue them all at the same time. And I don't have to be fidgeting with scooping and all that. So this is not making my fingers feel tacky or anything. There you go. Just press it in nice and flat. Maybe a little bit more. It's been a while since I used bubblegum gel. I ran out of the 2 small clear jars I had, and I didn't bother to buy any. I will show you what what product I've been using to glue on my nails instead, which actually I have been finding a little bit more easier. Got a little messy there. Sorry, I'm not on camera. Make sure you get it by the cuticle. Make sure you get it on the side walls. Okay. And one more nail. I would suggest, if you like the bubblegum gel, just go ahead and spend like the 10 bucks and get the bigger jar. If you're going to be doing your nails often. These little jars, they don't last. If you're anything like me, I change my nails weekly when I have the time. So I go through bubblegum gel a small jar. I mean, so I've done one hand already, and this is after scooping out for the second hand. So it goes, the little jars go quick. Okay, well, this mess. Okay, to flash cure, you have to hold the tip on and flash cure. I'm going to show you how I do it. This is my flash cure light. It hooks on to my desk. It's a clip, and it has a gooseneck head. And there's a little button on the side that turns it on. Try to not keep, depending on what you're using, a little flashlight or, you know, UV flashlight or, you know, one of these posable ones. Try to not keep if you're scooping all your nails at once, try to not keep them too close to the light because they'll cure. Okay, so what I do after I've prepped my nails, I rough them up a little bit with the nail file. I use the primer and the nail prep from enailcouture. You can find any primer or nail prep anywhere. You can find them on Amazon. You don't have to absolutely use those. And then I use a base coat on top, which I didn't even bother to do, you guys. Sorry. Let's move you back down. Try to do a thin coat if you're going to use this. I highly recommend this base coat. I love this base coat. I use it before nail foil glue also. And it just wonders. And my nails are a little bit more protected. At least I feel that way. Cure them for 60 seconds. I'm just, oops, I'll pause and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that's my nails, what they look like after nail primer, nail prep, and base coat, and curing for 60 seconds. So let's do, sorry. Okay, so how I put these on without getting air bubbles. Mind the camera? Yeah. I start pressing down at the cuticle and then like rock it to the front and then press down. If you notice his thumbs don't really fit me. I know he has a technique for thumbs, but the way I file down my sides and the way I paint my nails, I'm really not concerned, you know, with these not lining up sidewall to sidewall. So when you have it on there straight, hold it under the UV light for a flash cure. I usually hold it down for 2 seconds. And then I let go and just give it a couple more seconds. I don't know about any of you out there, but when I use bubblegum gel, and especially this base coat, for some strange reason, I get a lot of heat spikes on my nails. If you don't know what a heat spike is, when you stick it under the UV light when it's wet to cure it, your fingers feel like they're on fire or they're heating up. It doesn't last that long. It's a couple seconds. I'm used to it by now, so I just stopped complaining about it. In the beginning, all I did was complain about it. So start at the cuticle and roll it forward, press down. Make sure your sidewalls are lined up. Make sure your nail is straight. And then flash cure. You only have to do this for a couple seconds because then when you're done doing your whole hand, you're going to go under your nail lamp and cure for a full 60 seconds. I give it like 90 seconds just to be on the safe side. See, I'm not concerned with this being crooked underneath. You can do this if you got the little Hello Kitty, the little kitten Hello. I want to keep saying Hello Kitty, the little kitty flashy lamp, the flashlight. You can use that to flash cure. You don't need one of these fancy nail desks, but I just do my nails often enough. I just invested in one of these eventually. It was just easier than holding a little flashlight. I use the flashlights when I'm curing on big gems. Okay. Sorry guys, I wasn't in. So I'm probably doing either Hello Kitty or Stitch, like Lilo and Stitch nails today. I don't think I'm going to record that whole process. I'm a little tired and doing a lot of crap today, so I just kind of want to get it. But I just wanted to show this video because I figured, like my girlfriend T and maybe some of others who may be new to this, don't know how to use the bubblegum gel to glue on their full cover tips. And I just wanted you to be able to get started because after this, it's kind of, once you got the nails on, it's kind of downhill. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. They're cured. They're on there. There's a little number that's at the end of them and there's like tabs. So I'm just going to trim off with my nail cutter. Just enough. And I'm never really good at making these even unless I do them off of my hand first. I'm not really precise. It's not like I'm doing somebody else's hand where they have to be precise. So there you go. So the next steps that would follow, I'm not going to really record it. I just really wanted to show the curing the nails on. I would probably take my nail drill after this and put it on, some medium setting with my sanding band and buff out the shininess on the nail. Take a straight file and just straighten out the sides, straighten out and buff the edges. Make sure everything's nice and straight. And I kind of round the corners just a little because I don't want them poking me. Once that is done, then I pick nail color or whatever of choice. I do use the base coat before putting down any gel polish or any foils. I found these nail foils, these little stitch foils. I might use these today. Maybe with some blue polish. I gotta figure it out. I'm probably gonna put glitter in behind to try to hide the pink. I wish I had the clear. I could have used this today if I wanted clear nail beds. This is another, see, these get dirty because they're sticky after a while. This is the McCart nail glue gel. This is the same thing as bubblegum gel, but this is in a tube with a pointed nozzle. And all you gotta just squeeze it and fill in. What I do, I don't even fill in the nail when I do these. I just squeeze it and just fill in my nail bed on my actual nail. And then I put the nail from back to forth on and then cure. flash cure, and then 60-second cure when the whole hand is done. I have been liking, ever since I ran a bubblegum gel and I found this. This was a 2-pack on Amazon. I haven't even dug into the second tube yet. I'm still working on the first one. And this is in clear. So much easier. Does the same exact thing. Glues on your nails with UV light, and they stay. I can get them to stay for a week or two. They do really, really good. And they're very easy to soak off. And by the way, if you guys haven't tried it, the Remover Magic from enailcouture, I took off all my foils and top coat and everything off my old nails today, and which is the directions to use this. And then you paint this. This is really thick. You paint a couple coats on the nail bed after cutting them down short. Paint all over the nail tip. Let it sit for 5 minutes. And when I say 5 minutes, do the whole 5 minutes. Then take your cuticle pusher, the flat end, after 5 minutes, and start working it down. Mine peeled off. Literally, it took me 15 minutes to remove all my old nail tips and the glue. This was a godsend. I will be purchasing another bottle for a backup. I love it. Normally, I soak off in 100% acetone, and it takes me like a half hour, 45 minutes, maybe an hour to soak nails and all the glue off. It's a headache. This was great today. 15-20 minutes tops. All the tips were off. All the glue was off that was underneath. It was great. And there was very little to no damage on my nails from taking them off. So look into it. It's really, really great. So yeah, paint your nails as is, file shape them. Some people may get 3 weeks out of these. If I decided to keep them on, I could probably get 2. You know, I work with my hands, so I don't really get a long wear time, especially because I rock gemstones and rhinestones. They're falling off within a week, even though I really, really glue them on there. I work with my hands, so rhinestones and cute stuff. I love them, nail charms, but they just don't last long, so I'm changing my nails every week to 2 weeks. No big deal for me. I like the switch up anyway. So paint them style as you want, and have fun with them. I hope you really enjoy. If there's anything that you guys got in your scoops boxes that I might know about that you would like me to explain how to use, feel free to write something in the comments. Let me know. I'll try to make a little video tutorial on it and everything. I'm gonna try to maybe do a nail set and make a tutorial sometime soon, maybe with the next nail set. So, because tonight I just want to enjoy foiling my nails, but I just wanted to do how to use the bubblegum gel. I hope this was helpful. And also, Max Estrada, the owner, enailcouture, has their own YouTube channel. Feel free to check him out. He does nails all the time, lives and everything, and he uses the bubblegum gel on his channel. So if this wasn't, you know, enough instructions for you, feel free to check out his videos. He also uses the bubblegum gel on a lot of his clients on there, so you can also check him out. So if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you for returning and joining me in today's video. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.